the stock ang kanyang title. Yung tingin mo, girl, problema ka? To interact, to move, shift to sprint, F, flashlight, tab, shopping list. At may shopping list na naman. Madaming body na babarilin. Sa bagay, may hawak nga palang baril. I had to break up with Liam and I hope he takes it well. Ako, mukhang stalking. Ay, sabihin ko mukhang stalking game na naman to. Literal na nasa title na pala. Ooh, modern house. Wait, ano to? Fireplace? Damn, parang sa Sims ko lang to nakikita May ganito ka bang fireplace sa Sims, Kenzo? Liam na to, backseater. Umpisa pa lang ng game, alam mo na, no? Excuse me. I need to make some food. I'm hungry. Siya niya pala yung kumakalam. Okay, bedroom. I see you. Ang laki. Hindi ko maagting na ang layo ng TV sa kama. I guess that's just me. So, anong i-prepare nating food? Inang yan. Master's bedroom, oo. Ganda-ganda ng bahay, tapos tignan mo yung laman ng ref. Uy, paano mag-interact kasi? Left mouse button. Pati ko ma-interact. Okay. Next. Preheat yung pan. Painitin yung pan. Tapos, ano lutuin ko? Organic food ang putik. Ganda-ganda ng bahay mo. May kumakatok. Who would be knocking on my door at this hour? Yes, sino po sila? Who's there? Hey honey, can I come in? Uy, si Liam. Oh, Liam, I told you it's over, so no, you can't come in. Come on, you can't just leave me like that. I love you more than anything. It's over, Liam. Just go home. Uy! Kalmad, Lods. Open the door, Kate. No, I'm not opening the door. I don't love you anymore, Liam. You will be mine again soon. Ako. Tas puro glass windows pa naman. Sounds like he walked away. Thank God. Food should be ready now. Sunog na yung niluto mo. Pala decision. Baka si Liam ngayon nag-cheat, no? Sarap. Straight from the pan. A bath to calm myself down a bit. Okay. Ligo daw tayo. Asan yung bathroom? Oh, ito. Okay. Ano to? Ba't po ang kusina to? Powder room. Dapat may malaking ASMR. Dapat may malaking mirror dito, no? What was that? Oh, may nabasag. Yun yun! Oh, shit. Uy. Judas, thank you sa heart me, Judas. May nagbasag ng window ko. Si Liam to. Give me another chance, please. I will treat you as well. I will treat you well and do anything you want. I promise. Just one chance is all I ask. That can't be too much, can it? Nakaw. Psychopath. No. I gotta leave before he does something worse. Oh shit. Okay. Huwag na maligo. I should bring some water with me before leaving. Naku ka, girl. Danica, thank you sa 5 roses, Danica. Ah! Wait! Shit! Ah! Ah! Saan ako tatakbo? Ba't naman ganun yung sound? You got caught. Try again. Saan ako lalabas? Doon? Wait lang. Bago ako gumalaw. Tama nga si Danny Karen. Bukas ba yung bitana yun? Labas dyan! Ayun show. Ito mo yung bumbunan niya. Hi, Liam. Ah! Shit! Taragis yan. Okay, take my body and my soul. I guess kakaliwa ako. Umay sa obsession ni Liam. Ay, sorry, Richie. Sorry dyan, Daddy. Kabado si Kuya mo eh. Ay, ba't nag-dim? Nag-full mo na yata. Ay, ayan. Nahanap ko yung ilaw eh. Saan ako dadaan? Teka. Wait. Wala dito, that's for sure. Dun sa basag na bitana, sa kwarto. Sige, try natin. Liam. Bye, Liam. Tangina mo. Hello? Ay, gago! Hindi doon. Saan ako natakbo? Talon? Wait. Ay, face story pala. Escape from Liam's obsession. Kate seeks refuge in her grandpa's mansion. Strange occurrences raise questions about Liam's presence or another figure. Unraveling mysterious letters, Kate embarks on a journey, seeking peace. Hindi ko alam, saan ako tatakbo? Teka. Buksan ko na to. Para ready na. Trinay ko kanina sa front door eh. Wait lang. Ang bilis siya kasi tumakbo. Oh, wait lang. Eto, may head start ako. Ayun! Pinaka-obvious na sagot. Okay. Oh! And miraculously, nag-teleport ako sa kotse ko. Andar, please. 9:33 PM. Calling Grandpa. Sagot! Hello, Grandpa. I need your help. Hey, Kate. What's going on? Liam broke into my apartment and chased me. I barely got away, and now I'm in my car with nowhere to go. That's horrible. Are you okay? Did he hurt you or something? No, I got away before he could do something, but I'm terrified he will find me. Okay, I assume you're looking for a place to stay for a while. No shit, Grandpa. Kakasabi ko lang. Magdadrive tayo. Yes. Nakalak mo yung doors. Feeling ko, bobo niya na kung di niya ilock. I own a mansion about an hour's drive from your city. It should be empty. Great. Thanks, Grandpa. Can I go there right now? Yes, I'll send you the address, and the key to the mansion is in the basement. Okay, thanks again, Grandpa. You are a lifesaver. Ako, basement pa nakalagay. No problem. I hope all goes well. Don't hesitate to call me again. Huh. Ah! Wala ka! Di niya nga nilock. So tanga nga, bobo nga tong gagong to. Alam mo nang sinusundan ka, hindi mo ilalak. Ay, oo, narinig niya na yun. That was a close call. Thank God I made it out. Liam won't be able to find me anymore now. Di mo sure? I have finally broken free from that toxic relationship. Who would have known? Napakatakot. Walang mumu na involved. Call the popo. Kung smart enough siya, tatawagin niya talaga yung police. Tingnan mo, ang grand pa una niyang tinawagan. Na-hold up yung bus ko. Ito, ini-stock na ako, gelato. Pasahero kaya itong nag-i-stock sa akin. Poop, poop. That's the sound of the police. Oh, diba? Ayan na. Oh no, did Leah manage to follow me here? Masundan na siya. I'm getting too paranoid now. Of course, it's not him. Probably just a neighbor. Ganyan kasi, mga ganyang iniisip mo, kaya napapahamak eh. Sino susunod sa'yong neighbor, ganyang oras? Dilim-dilim pa. Flashlight ko pa sa phone lang. Nasa basement daw yung susi. Punta tayong basement. Naku. Basement pa yung bababaan. I swear to God, pag may chase scene ulit dito. Ba't may kabaong naman? Lo. Parang mortuary assistant lang to. Sige, not creepy at all. Ba't may mga kadena? Pervert yata yung grandpa ko eh. Saka yung susi. Nandito daw somewhere yung susi. Ayun. Ayun. Nilalabas ba? Liam? Andiyan ka ba, Liam? Time purse tayo, Liam. Mas nakakatakot ang obsessed na ex kaysa sa killer. True. Nakasya sa tuloy ako, baka lumabas siya anyway. Biglaan. Kung madilim yung stream, it's because madilim talaga. Yun o, yun yung flashlight ko sa ground. Ika din ako si Liam. Asa na kaya yung coaching sumusunod? Wait lang. Dili masyado nung game. Taasan ko yung contrast ng konti. Asa sa loob na siya, no? Wow, it's dark in here. Let's turn on some lights and find the bedroom. I want to hit the bed ASAP. Girl! After all you've been through, hindi mo talaga iniisip tawagan yung police. Saan may switch? Saan switch ito? Ito. Feeling ko may chase scene talaga mamaya. Nararamdaman. Ano yun? Nararamdaman ko na sa buto ko. Ba't ba puro saksakan? Asan yung mga switch? May kilala din ng red flag bukod kay Liam. Red is my favorite color. Ito kasi may chandelier. Hindi ko alam kung nasa yung switch. Hindi wag nyo pakita. Saksakan, tabi ng pinto. Ay. Ito ba yung nagbukas? bedroom daw pala ako pupunta. Mag-swing na lang sa chandelier. Shit. So, meaning, saan ba yung bedroom? Sa taas. Okay. Labas din to. Tapos tingnan mo, hindi na naman niya nilock yung pintuan. Pustahan. Liam, wag muna. Liam, hindi ko pa alam layout ng bahay. Liam, typers. Hindi naman siguro ako magtatago, no? Buti walang crouch. Kasi kung may crouch, meaning need ko magtago somehow. Except kay Liam, may kilala din akong red flag. Ito na yata yung bedroom eh. Ayun. Hindi ko sinara yung pintuan. Creepy ng house si Grandpa. Home sim. Ay, umaga na. Tingnan mo, nakabukas yung pintuan ko. Hindi ko sinarado. Sorry. Hobby ko na yun eh. Hindi kumakatok. I better go check the door. It could be Grandpa who is out to visit me. Sino po sila? Ha? Lah. Ren, thank you sa share. Pag-share, Ren. Hindi mo yung rep, di ko nga sinarado. Ayun pala yung umuugong. Visit. Saan nung kumakatok? Wala naman tao sa labas. Okay, may note. Dearest new resident of this mansion, I'm the previous owner of this mansion and you are the person I have been looking for. I hope to see you stick around for a while. I'm sure we will get along just fine. I will be watching you. What kind of joke is this? I can't be bothered to deal with some stupid teenagers right now. Tanga mo. Well, I better get going to the convenience store now before it gets dark. Sasarado ko na Tapos pag uwi ko, gabi na naman. Watching you pa nga. Home sim. Press tab to look at shopping list. Canned food, snacks, soda, milk, cereal, wine. Basket. Wow. Nice beard. Di ba ako kumang basket? Canned food. Ito. Wait. Hindi ako makakuha ang basket. Kamukha niyo yung nasa, cashier. Oh, hi there. Haven't seen you here before. Are you new? Yes, I just moved in. Where do you live? I don't feel comfortable telling you that. Are you alone? I'm in a hurry. Sorry, I gotta go. Siya yun, I swear. Siya yun, pero mahaba lang yung balbas nito. I gotta go. Di na ako mag-shopping? Hindi. Okay. Ay, automatic pala yung doors. May indicator. Okay. Chips. Soda. Tapos, milk. And cereal. And wine. Wala nakalagay yung wine. Ayun. That's all. Let's go pay for this now. Bayad po. Hello, beautiful. Is that all? Yes. Alright. The total is $28.50. Thank you for shopping here. Also, I can tell you are new to the area. How long are you staying for? No problem. I'm not sure yet. Not too long, I would assume. Alright. Have a good day. And here are your groceries. Thanks. You too. Kanino tong blong sasakyan? Ah! You know, a young, beautiful lady like you shouldn't be out all alone like this. What do you want? I do have some wishes, but I think it's best they remain unspoken. Be careful and don't let me catch you all alone again. Gago. Gago ka pala eh. I don't need your warnings. Respect my space and stay away. Gagi naman yan. Yung puso ko, tangi. Ba't naman kasi nag-charge siya papunta sa akin at ayun nga po, gabi na naman. Sobrang ganda naman ng character niya. Kaya nga, hindi ko ba siya makita sa salamin? Grabe naman sigurong charisma nitong character na to. Welcome home. Shit! You look beautiful in the store today. Sino kaya to? Can't wait to see you again. Getting closer. Ala! Ah! I'm soon there. Shit! Ala! Saan ako pupunta? Or what if I'm already there? Tang ina. Walang ilaw. I'm here. Kumakatok siya. Hindi ako makatago, Alisa. Walang taguan. Walang ganun option. What if? Hindi na ako mag-ilaw para hindi ko siya makita. I'm here daw eh. May kumakatok. May note na naman. Dearest new resident, congratulations on settling in. You may believe this mansion is your refuge, but every step you take reveals a deeper game. I'm with you in every choice, every move. There's no escape from the inevitable end. Gago naman. Lumipat nga siya dito para makatakas. Lumami pa tuloy yung problema niya. Ano yun? Nangyari? Ay? To be continued. If you enjoyed it and would like to support me, please consider wishlisting it on Steam. Anyway, demo din pala yun. Hayup! Kala ko buong game. Grumps, why let this happen? Bitin naman. Maganda na sana yung story, no?